No, I have never seen him or known about him, not at all. Oh yeah, well, luckily, by the grace of Allah and our missionaries in charge, Naeem Ahmad Waraig Sahib, he has sent a message that he had seen a dream before. He writes in a letter, a day before the election, I lay down after Fajr prayer, and the following unforgettable vision came before my eyes. Azur, Ayyadahullah Ta'ala bin Nasr al-Aziz, and Mr. Sayyid Khalid Ahmad Shah are standing together. A ray of white light descends from the heavens and illuminates Hazur's face. After this, I was convinced that the fifth Caliph of Ahmadiyya will be Mirza Masroor Ahmad Sahib. These days, Hazur's countenance shines with the same light that I had seen descend from the heavens.